Woodworking is an important job as most of our houses and pretty much everything in it is made of wood. Houses, sheds, closets, doors, etc. Hence, proper and high-quality tools should be used to work on these to get the utmost efficiency and accuracy in measurements. It is also important for the tools to be user-friendly and comfortable to use. So, let's take a look at the 20 coolest woodworking tools from Milescraft. Imagine you're in your workshop, ready to tackle a new project, and you reach for your router, the Milescraft 6202 Omnibase, offering a truly universal fit for nearly every router, from trim to full size, thanks to its innovative adjustable swivel mounting wings. This 7-inch diameter base plate, crafted from clear polycarbonate, not only boosts stability but also enhances visibility during your routing tasks. It's compatible with 1 and 3 by 16 inches Porter cable-style metal bushings, making it versatile for various applications. Plus, the inclusion of non-marring mortising pins allows you to cut mortises into boards of varying thicknesses, perfect for T-nun joinery. The Omnibase integrates with Milescraft's Turnlock jigs, expanding your tool's capabilities even further. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, this base plate simplifies setup and improves precision, making your projects more enjoyable and efficient. Picture this. You're in your garage, ready to hang a new door, and you reach for the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. This tool changes everything for both DIYers and pros, making door and frame hinge installations easier than ever. Its padded dual self-clamping design sets up quickly without damaging your door, no screws or nails needed. Whether you're working with 1/3/8 inches or 1/3/4 inches thick doors, the adjustable settings have you covered. It handles hinge mortises from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches, and even comes with templates for common latch and strike plate sizes. The built-in storage compartments keep your router bit and optional self-centering hinge bit within arm's reach, so you're not scrambling to find tools mid-project. Plus, the bonus Pin Doctor hinge pin removal tool is a nifty addition for taking off old doors. With the Hinge Jig Plus, you're set for a smooth, professional installation every time. Imagine you're in your workshop, ready to hang a new door, and you reach for the Milescraft 1226 Hinge Jig. This self-clamping jig is a wonder, making door hinge and latch installation straightforward and efficient. Its padded clamp design sets up quickly, without the need for screws or nails, preventing any damage to your door. Whether you're working with standard or thick doors, the adjustable settings have you covered. It accommodates hinge mortises ranging from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches, and allows you to cut professional hinge mortises with 1/4 inches, 5 by 1/8 inches, or square corners. Chisel required for square corners. The built-in depth setting gauge ensures precise cuts for different hinge sizes, and the included custom router bit with a ball bearing guarantees clean and smooth mortises. Plus, the built-in storage compartments keep your router bit and optional self-centering hinge bit within easy reach, so you're always organized. With the Hinge Jig, installing new doors into existing frames becomes a hassle-free task, giving your projects a professional finish every time. When you're ready to tackle a lock installation project, the Milescraft 1338 Lockmate Plus makes the job straightforward and efficient. This jig clamps securely to your door without leaving a mark, thanks to its non-marring rubber surface. It's designed to work with 1 and 3 by 1/8 inches and 1 and 3/4 inches thick doors, and accommodates both 2 and 3 by 1/8 inches and 2 and 3/4 inches backsets, covering most lock types. The included bimetal hole saws, 2 and 1/8 inches and 1 inches, are sturdy enough to handle wood and metal doors alike. One amazing feature is the stepped drill guide, reinforced with a metal bushing, which ensures precise drilling while protecting the tool from wear. Plus, the long pilot bit helps prevent splintering by letting you finish the hole cleanly from the opposite side of the door. If you want professional-looking results without the hassle, this tool has you covered. Do you want to update the locks around your home and want a tool that simplifies the process? The Milescraft 1337 Lockmate is designed for DIY enthusiasts like you, making door lock and knob installations straightforward. It adjusts to fit standard door thicknesses of 1 3/8 inches and 1 3/4 inches, and accommodates both 2 3/8 inches and 2 3/4 inches backsets, covering most common lock sizes. The included 2 1/8 inches and 1 inches bimetal cobalt alloy hole saws are robust, capable of cutting through both wood and metal doors. Its anti-wear stepped drill guide bushing ensures precise drilling and extends the jig's lifespan. The extra long 1/4 inches pilot bit is designed to exit the door first, creating a guide hole that allows you to complete the hole from the opposite side, reducing tear out for a cleaner finish. With the Lockmate, you can achieve professional results without the need for professional help. When you're in your workshop, aiming for precise cuts on your table saw or router table, the Milescraft 3406 Grabber Pro becomes an essential tool. Its adjustable multi-leg design allows it to maintain contact on both sides of the blade, reducing the risk of kickback and ensuring cleaner cuts. The angled handle provides superior control throughout the cut, keeping your hands safely away from the blade. With interchangeable legs of varying sizes, you can customize it to suit your specific project needs, even allowing for precise strips as narrow as 1/8 inch. The elevated base design further enhances safety by keeping your hands at a safe distance from the cutting surface. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned woodworker, the Grabber Pro offers the control and precision needed to achieve professional results in your projects. Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Picture this. You're in your shop, working on a plywood project, and you want clean, straight cuts without hauling out a bulky table saw. That's where the Milescraft 1409 Tracksaw Guide steps in to make your life easier. This tool transforms your circular saw into a precision cutting machine. With its adjustable track, you can make cuts up to 50 inches long, and the low-friction glide strips ensure your saw moves smoothly without any jerks. It's compatible with most circular saws and jigsaws, so you're not tied to specific brands. Setting it up is simple. Attach your saw, align it with the track, and you're ready to make rip cuts, cross cuts, or even angled cuts with accuracy. The built-in saw alignment grooves keep your tool steady, and the clamps hold everything in place securely. Whether you're trimming doors, making shelving, or cutting panels, the Tracksaw Guide helps you work faster and with professional-level results. If you've got a DIY project coming up, you'll be glad to have this in your arsenal. You know those moments when you're trying to add adjustable shelves to a cabinet or bookcase, and you just can't get the holes aligned perfectly? That's when the Milescraft 1343 Shelf Jig becomes your best friend. This jig makes drilling shelf pin holes quick, accurate, and stress-free. With its clear, impact-resistant template, you get 1-inch spacing between holes and a layout that ensures everything lines up evenly. It works with shelf pins, pegs, or even dowels, so you've got plenty of flexibility. The jig is designed for standard 1/4 inch shelf pins, and the hardened steel bushings keep your drill bit steady for perfect alignment every time. It's great for cabinets, bookshelves, or any project where adjustable shelves are a must. The built-in edge guide is handy too, letting you position the jig precisely without constant measuring. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can use it wherever your project takes you. If you're a dyer or a pro, this jig is a small investment with a big payoff in precision. So, imagine you're tackling a woodworking project, maybe building a custom shelf or repairing a wobbly chair, and you want strong hidden joints. That's where the Milescraft Pocket Jig 400 comes in. This compact and self-contained jig is all about making pocket hole joinery fast and easy. With its self-clamping design, you don't need extra clamps, just set it up, and it grips the material securely. It's perfect for working with boards from 0.5 to 1.5 inches thick, making it versatile for a range of projects. The built-in depth settings are super convenient, so you're not fumbling with adjustments. It even comes with a split design drilling block for multiple hole configurations, giving you flexibility whether you're joining corners, edges, or flat panels. And the hardened steel bushings ensure your drill stays aligned for precise, clean holes every time. What's really cool is that it's lightweight and portable, so you can bring it to the job instead of hauling your project around. Whether you're a dyer or a seasoned woodworker, this tool is a must-have for creating strong, professional-looking joints without breaking a sweat. If you're into pen turning, the Milescraft 4701 pen press makes assembling your projects smooth and straightforward. With this tool, you've got a spring-loaded mandrel that ensures every piece lines up perfectly. The 6 quick flip stops let you adjust for different pen sizes without any hassle, and the steel handle delivers up to 300 pounds of pressure, so you're always in control. The non-slip pads keep it steady on your workbench, and there's even a magnetic storage drawer for extra press pads and small parts, super handy. Whether you're crafting pens as a hobby or for business, this tool takes the guesswork out of the process, letting you focus on your craftsmanship. If you've ever installed drawers, you know how tricky it can be to get them lined up perfectly. The Milescraft 1341 Drawer Jig takes all the guesswork out of the process, and it's honestly a game changer for DIYers and pros alike. It holds slides securely in place while you drill, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Designed to work with both face frame and frameless cabinets, it's versatile for all kinds of projects. The durable construction keeps everything steady, and the adjustable arms make it easy to align with your cabinet's edges. It even accommodates a variety of drawer sizes, so you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all tool. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or building furniture, the Drawer Jig saves you time and frustration. Seriously, it's one of those tools you'll wonder how you ever lived without. If you've ever struggled to get precise lines when working on trim or countertops, the Milescraft 8407 Scribe Tech is a tool that can make your life easier. The Scribe Tech changes that with its adjustable scribing capabilities. Its articulating pencil head adapts to various angles, ensuring your lines are accurate, even on uneven surfaces. The adjustable grip holds standard pencils, carpenter pencils, and markers like Sharpies, so you're not limited to one type of writing instrument. Plus, it has a built-in pencil sharpener, which is a small but thoughtful addition that keeps your lines crisp. The retractable, spring-loaded precision point allows you to draw precise circles up to 16 inches in diameter, making it versatile for different projects. Whether you're installing cabinets, laying flooring, or working on custom moldings, the Scribe Tech helps you achieve professional results without the usual hassle. If you're into woodworking, the Milescraft MC Square 150 is a handy tool to have in your arsenal. With the MC Square 150, you've got a 6x4 inch aluminum square that combines several functions into one compact design. It features inside and outside scales for measuring and marking, quick angle finders for 30 degrees and 45 degrees angles, and elongated notches for accurate line scribing. The removable anodized aluminum fence allows you to draw circles or use the square on flat surfaces, adding to its versatility. Plus, the sturdy yet lightweight aluminum body ensures durability without weighing you down. Whether you're remodeling, woodworking, or tackling various DIY projects, this multifunctional tool simplifies your tasks and helps you achieve precise results. If you've ever spent hours on your knees installing flooring or painting baseboards, you know how uncomfortable it can get. That's where the Milescraft 16-0 3 knee blades come in. These rolling knee pads are designed to make your low-to-the-ground tasks more comfortable and efficient. Each knee blade features 3 non-marring casters that provide full 360-degree turning capability, allowing you to glide smoothly across your workspace without having to constantly get up and reposition. The tapered gel pads conform to your knees, evenly distributing weight and reducing pressure, which means less strain during extended use. With a load rating of 80 pounds per caster and a maximum weight limit of 480 pounds, these knee blades are built to handle heavy-duty projects. The hook and loop strap secures them comfortably without causing discomfort behind the knee, and at just 3.5 pounds each, they won't weigh you down. Whether you're laying tile, installing carpet, or working in the garden, knee blades can help you move around with ease and protect your knees in the process. If you're tackling trim work, the Milescraft Trim 45 is a tool that can make your life easier. With the Trim 45, you can set reveals from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch in 1/8 inch increments, ensuring uniformity across your project. The 45 degrees angled head is perfect for marking miter cuts, and the built-in clamp pad works with any clamp, keeping things steady while you work. Plus, the tape measure slots and rare earth magnets make measuring jam openings a one-person job, which is a great addition when you're working solo. This tool streamlines the process, letting you focus on getting those crisp, clean lines that make trim work pop. If you've ever tried drilling in tight spots, you know how frustrating it can be. That's where the Milescraft 1304 Drill 90 Plus comes in handy. This right-angle drill attachment is a blessing in disguise for those hard-to-reach areas like wall studs and floor joists. With a minimum reach of just 4 inches, it lets you get into confined spaces without breaking a sweat. The 3 8-inch keyless chuck is compatible with most drill accessories up to 3/8 inches, making bit changes quick and easy. Plus, the ergonomic design includes a removable dual position handle that gives you optimal support and control during use. The all-metal drive with steel gears and integrated gear support ensures durability and long life. Whether you're a plumber, electrician, or DIY enthusiast, the Drill 90 Plus is a versatile addition to your toolkit that makes those awkward drilling tasks much more manageable. Are you a handyman? The Milescraft 8406. Exactor is a versatile tool that can simplify your projects. With the Exactor, you have a 9-in-1 multi-tool that covers all your measuring and marking needs. It features built-in dual levels for horizontal and vertical leveling, a sliding bevel for angle duplication, and the ability to measure both inner and outer 90 degrees angles. The 45 degrees miter measurement capability is perfect for quick miter cuts, and the depth gauge comes in handy for setting depths accurately. Plus, it has a 3/16 inch reveal feature, which is great for window and door installations. The dual imperial and metric scales make it adaptable for any project. Constructed from durable ABS and steel, it's built to last. This tool streamlines your workflow, letting you focus more on crafting and less on switching between tools. If you're someone who is into woodworking, the Milescraft 1600 tri-grips are a handy addition to your workshop. These triangular supports have non-slip friction pads that hold your workpiece firmly in place, so you can sand, paint, or root without the need for clamps. They elevate your project about 1 3/16 inches off the work surface, giving you full access to edges for tasks like painting or edge routing. Plus, they feature integrated painter's points that provide a 3-inch lift, making minimal contact with freshly painted or stained surfaces. The internal ballast ensures they stay stable in any position. Whether you're drilling, carving, or just need a steady hold, these tri-grips make the process more efficient. That wraps up our video of the 20 coolest woodworking tools for 2025 vertical bar Milescraft tools. For woodworking, tell us which tool you like the most by commenting down below. Like for more content like this, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to be updated with all the lasted videos. See you next time.